Imagine that everything you've ever longed for is already here, waiting for you. How would that change the way you ask? What if the key to receiving isn't about the words you speak, but the energy behind them? Jacobo Grinberg, a pioneer in exploring consciousness, believed that reality is shaped by our minds. It's not just about what you think, but how you think. Today, we'll uncover a powerful truth that can transform the way you ask. Whether you realize it or not, you're always asking. When we think about asking, most of us imagine words, prayers, affirmations, or conversations directed toward a higher power. But asking starts long before you speak. It's happening right now in the quietest corners of your mind. Every thought you entertain, every image you hold, and every feeling you nurture is a message to the universe. Think about this. When you say, "I want love, success, or abundance," but deep down believe, "I don't deserve it, it's too hard," or "Who am I to have that?" You're sending two opposing signals. Here's the catch. The deeper, quieter signal is the one that gets heard. Asking isn't something you do occasionally. It's a state of being. It's the constant flow of your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs shaping the reality around you. Imagine your mind as a river and your requests as its current, always in motion. You can't stop it, even if you tried. Every worry about tomorrow, every doubt in your abilities, and every moment of gratitude or joy sends a clear message. More of this, please. The challenge is that most of us ask chaotically. Picture trying to grow a beautiful garden, but planting different seeds every day, some for flowers, some for weeds. What sprouts is confusion, not beauty. This is how many of us approach life. We ask for abundance but worry about scarcity. We want love but fear rejection. The result? Mixed signals and chaotic outcomes. The secret to transforming your reality is noticing your inner dialogue. What are you truly asking for? When you align your thoughts with your deepest desires, your reality starts to shift. Your mind is like a mirror, reflecting whatever you hold before it. If you stand before the mirror holding fear or lack, that's what will reflect back. But if you hold an image of fullness, certainty, and joy, the mirror can only show that. Here's a principle that can change everything. Reality is an effect. It's not the cause of your experiences, but the result of what's happening within you. Too often, we try to change our lives by focusing on external effects, working harder, fixing circumstances, or controlling outcomes. But if your internal beliefs don't match your desires, all those efforts will feel like running in circles. The real work is within. When you shift the cause, your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, the effects naturally follow. Look at people who radiate fulfillment. It's not just their actions that create their success. It's their internal state. They believe they're worthy of their desires and live as though those desires are already fulfilled. This is your invitation to do the same. Align your energy with what you truly want. Instead of asking from a place of lack, ask from a place of abundance. If you wake up thinking, "Today will be difficult," your mind will work overtime to prove you right. It's like a magnet pulling in every challenge, setback, or frustration to match that expectation. But what if you woke up differently? What if you started your day feeling grateful, open, and ready to receive the best life has to offer? Suddenly, it's as if the universe itself conspires to give you reasons to feel that way. Here's the secret. This isn't coincidence. It's alignment. And the key to creating this alignment lies in understanding how to communicate with the force that shapes your reality. Some call it universal intelligence, the quantum field, or God. The name doesn't matter. What matters is knowing this. It doesn't respond to what you say. It responds to who you are. One of the biggest misconceptions about asking is that it requires special words, formal rituals, or a perfect technique. The truth is, a powerful request doesn't need any of that. Real asking happens when your mind, emotions, and intentions are in harmony. Imagine saying, "I want abundance," but deep inside, you feel scarcity, fear, or doubt. Those emotions are like static on a radio, keeping you from tuning into the frequency of abundance. To attract what you desire, your inner state must match the reality you want to create. Here's the game-changing realization. The higher power you're communicating with isn't somewhere far away. It's not out there waiting for you to prove yourself worthy. It's right here within you, woven into every moment of your life. You don't need to search for it. You just need to come back to yourself. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine, what if everything you've ever wanted was already yours? Don't get stuck on how. Don't analyze the steps or obstacles. Just feel it. What does it feel like to live that reality? Peace? Gratitude? Joy? That feeling, that vibration, is the true language of this higher intelligence. Now let's talk about your emotional frequency. If you could sum up the emotion that dominates your day in one word, what would it be? Is it peace, worry, excitement? Reflect on it, because your dominant emotional state plays a huge role in what you're attracting. Many people think asking means saying the right words, but the most effective requests happen in silence. When your mind is calm, your heart is open, and your energy is aligned. This is the moment you stop pleading or striving and start trusting. You don't need to convince the universe to bless you. You simply align with what's already available. Think of a mountain. If you need water, you don't climb to the top to find it. Instead, you dig a channel and let the water flow to you naturally. That's how your requests work. It's not about reaching for something outside yourself. It's about creating space for what you desire to flow effortlessly into your life. The key to shifting your reality is learning to declare your intentions with unwavering clarity. This means aligning your thoughts and emotions with what you truly want to create. It's not enough to say, "I want happiness." You must live as though happiness is already woven into every moment of your life. The next time you want to ask for something, pause and try this. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and visualize your desire, not as a distant dream, but as a reality that already exists. Feel the emotions it stirs within you: gratitude, joy, peace. Silently affirm, "Thank you, because it is already mine." This simple practice transforms your internal state, aligning your mind and energy with the reality you wish to manifest. Asking isn't about doing, it's about being. It's entering a state of communion with the infinite force within you, a quiet but profound dialogue that has the power to change everything. And when life throws challenges your way, practice presence. Become aware of your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. Observe them without letting them take over. Remember, you are the sky. Your thoughts are passing clouds. Some are light and gentle, while others are dark and heavy. But no matter how the clouds shift, the sky remains unchanged. By observing your thoughts, you reclaim your power to focus on the ones that nourish your vision. Gratitude is a potent tool for shifting your frequency because it's rooted in fulfillment. When you're grateful, you declare that your desires are already part of your reality. You are already connected to everything you need. Within you lies an infinite force ready to bring your desires to life. Thank you for being present with us today. May your path be filled with light, love, and infinite possibilities.